Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by committing to one practical plan and gathering what you need now. Choose scale and track geometry because that dictates spacing and compatibility. Once decided, sketch a simple main line with at least one siding. Measure the benchwork footprint and buy track, turnout types, a power pack, controller, foam roadbed, ballast, and basic tools. Make sure to include wiring wire and connectors. This prevents stops later. Begin laying out pieces on the table to visualize clearances and curves before permanent attachment. Once the footprint is fixed, build sturdy benchwork and create a continuous roadbed using cork or foam to reduce noise. Pin the track in place dry to refine alignments, and then solder feeders under each rail every 3 to 4 feet so power stays consistent. This avoids dead spots. Run a 14 to 16 AWG bus with 22 to 24 AWG feeders tied to terminal blocks for each electrical zone. Make sure to test power and polarity at every stage to catch wiring errors early. Finish by shaping terrain with foam and plaster cloth, then glue ballast and add ground cover and details. Ballast last keeps track reliable. Run thorough tests. Perform slow speed circuits to verify smooth running, check joint continuity, wheel pickup, turnout alignment, and block wiring to catch intermittent faults. If trains stall or short in reverse loops, install insulated rail joiners and an auto reverser to handle polarity changes. This single fix solves most layout shorting issues. Make incremental fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.